Welcome, everyone. Are you ready to bring your animation and short film ideas to life with breathtaking visual concepts? Well, whether you're working on an indie project or brainstorming the next big thing, storyboarding is where your ideas take form. Today, we're diving into how Midjourney can help you craft storyboards that don't just illustrate your story, they make it come alive. I'll walk you through some exciting ways to set scenes, capture character dynamics, and create unforgettable action sequences. And as always, check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you turn your vision into reality. Let's dive right in. A storyboard sets the stage for your story. It's where the tone, mood, and key locations come into focus. The opening scene is what draws viewers in. Well, it's their first glimpse of the world you've built. Now, let's use Midjourney to create an atmospheric opening that immediately captivates. So, I'll show you how detailed prompts can bring a setting to life in ways that traditional sketching might take hours to achieve. Now, imagine you want your scene to feel mysterious and serene, yet carry a touch of suspense. Well, here's the prompt we'll use right here. There we go. Just don't forget to include this to be more detailed and specific to Midjourney, like storyboard sketch style, make a dramatic contrast, soft cinematic lighting to add a bit more flair with the rendered images that you're aiming for. And here is the following. There we go. Desolate beach. That includes a lone lighthouse. There's also a mysterious figure that stands by the water's edge. All right. Sending the prompt right now. Okay. So let's see how Midjourney interprets this vision. Well, I'm anticipating something ethereal yet grounded, something that sets the tone for an opening scene filled with intrigue. Alrighty. Here it is. There we go. Whoa, what just happened here? It didn't pop up. Let me just click right here. Oh, okay. Didn't expect the storyboard sketch to be more visually appealing, but yeah, I guess this could include this like a vision idea. It's even more better. Would you look at that? The detail is really phenomenal. From the way the soft glow of the lighthouse pierces the twilight to how the figure's silhouette creates an air of mystery right here. See? This scene could easily become the first frame of a short film, instantly establishing mood and atmosphere. Let me go through right here. See? It gets even better right here. So, with storyboards, you can give your team a clear picture of the emotional setting right from the start. So right here, this is even more helpful with all the colors and all the details here and there that the prompt that is aimed for. See? Beautiful, huh? Next, let's focus on the heart of your story, the characters. How they move, react, and emote can make or break your animation's emotional impact. Whether it's a subtle glance or a bold leap, storyboarding character action helps you define these moments visually before they become animated. Let's prompt Midjourney to illustrate a scene that captures both motion and emotion. Think about the body language that conveys strength, hesitation, or fear. Now, we're aiming for something dynamic yet relatable, something that draws your audience into the character's experience. Here's the prompt we'll use right here. Okay, don't forget this detail just in case it would miraculously generate just like this one, like a storyboard sketch. Not you can just readjust the details like black and white or make it the prompt detail like a storyboard drawing, but we'll see. So right here, our character would be a young hero in a post-apocalyptic world. crouching as they survey a dangerous landscape. They have fierce, determined eyes, holding a rusted staff. Dust clouds billow in the background. The framing has to be dynamic with a low angle shot to emphasize tension and anticipation. And yep. And once it's all done, sending it right now. Okay, so this type of framing is so important. It helps highlight the stakes and adds layers to the scene. Now, it's currently processing, and then let's see what Midjourney delivers. Wow! Oh, it came off better than I thought it would. And incredible, as you can see, the low angle perspective makes the character look larger than life. See it right here? And the dust in the background adds to the tension. Even the staff details tell a story of resilience. Let's go with another one right here. See? Early sketch, and another one right here. Oh, this one is much better. So this visual makes it easy to imagine how the character's movements could be animated frame by frame. Now, these small nuances are what make a storyboard resonate and become a true guide for animators. Now, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And if you're finding these tips helpful, well, a quick like really helps our channel get noticed by more creators like you. Now, let's proceed to the next segment. Now that we've built our characters and setting, let's move to the story's progression. Those key beats and transitions that connect the dots and keep your audience engaged. Now, Midjourney can visualize not just the big moments, but also the in between scenes that bridge those moments seamlessly. Think of a memory sequence, for example, where the past and present collide visually. So, here's how we can create a storyboard that captures a powerful transition in just one frame. Here we go. There it is. Remember to include this. Just it all depends on what Midjourney would render the images exactly like a storyboard drawing or sketch. So in any case, here is one right there, a flashback sequence, a child's hand reaching out as a golden field sways in slow motion. Warm sunlight filters through. Illuminating their hopeful expression, the scene fades into the present. An older version of the child stands in the same field, now overgrown and abandoned, with a stormy sky overhead. Split frame, right here. Cinematic. Yep, and there it is, just like I pointed out. So here we go. Let's see what Midjourney makes of this emotional shift. Okay, I'm expecting a frame that feels nostalgic and bittersweet, capturing the passage of time in one striking visual. Let's see how this goes. Ah, well, look at that. See right here? Looky. Well, just take time for this to load. Yep. See right here, the golden tones of the past contrast beautifully with the stormy sky of the present. You can almost feel the weight of the memories versus the current reality. See? Another sketch right here, and another one right here. So, and then another one right here. Also, you can adjust this, making it split frame, making it 2 frame right there. There we go, 2 frames. My apologies for that. There we go, just a bit of adjusting right here. Okay, just submit it right there. And let's see how this adjusted a bit with the rendered images. Adding this one. Just give it a moment. Okay, wait for a bit. Alrighty. So as you'll see right here, hold on. Yeah, okay, this kind of works right there. It's a 2-frame right here. And also this also works well. And yeah, storyboards like this can communicate an entire backstory without needing a single word of dialogue. And as you'll see, that's the power of visual storytelling. See right here? Finally, let's storyboard an intense action sequence, the pulse pounding climax of the story. Whether it's a chase, battle, or daring escape, the visuals need to carry the energy and stakes. Now, Midjourney excels at creating high energy cinematic frames that help storyboard artists convey action flow. Now, picture an airship battle scene full of tension and movement. Well, here's the prompt we'll be using right here. See, air shot of 2 airships colliding in the sky, debris falling as flames erupt. The hero leaps from one ship to another, gripping a rope, then the wind whips around them as the explosion bursts behind, casting shadows. Well, that's a lot of details right here. So then, here it is, intense cinematic, fast-paced storyboard scene sketch. If you wanted like one scene, go for it. You can just adjust the prompt, make it 4 scenes or 2 panels at least. So we'll see how it looks like with the one scene right here. Then let's send this off right now. Oh, and then you can also adjust right here. Let me go for 4 panel or 2 panels at least. There we go. And we can just enter right here. And there we go. While waiting, let's take a look at this one. Wow, look at that. Absolutely stunning. See the sketches right here? You can almost hear the roaring wind and the crackle of fire. And the framing makes the hero's leap look impossibly daring, and the debris adds realism. Now, this kind of frame can set the tone for an entire climactic sequence, and thus giving the animators a strong sense of pace and framing for each shot. And yep, here's the last one. And now let's look over another one right here. Looks about the same with one frame. And see, 2 panels here. This looks interesting. And yep, that wraps up our deep dive into using Midjourney for storyboarding. Now, whether you're capturing quiet, emotional beats or high energy climaxes, these visuals can guide your animation or short film every step of the way. And once again, don't forget to check the pinned comment for more resources and prompt ideas to keep refining your storyboards. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy storyboarding.